Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 23rd day of September 2025. We just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room by myself and or others uh, trading live money. So here we go. We're going to go to our normal friend, which is the strong candle indicator, which you can only get at Samurai Day Trading, and we just use this signal basically all day given the right circumstances. And this is definitely the right circumstances. We failed three times down here. We look for the first strong candle going in the opposite direction, and here it is. So this closed over the moving average. We're going to wait till this moves down to give me a bit of a retrace. We're going to stick our trade on the body of the candle to go long, and we're going to pair our ATM with our PVI. So I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 50 and 70 ticks long. So we're going to use our ATM. That is 16 tick first targets, 31 tick second target, and 61 ticks third target. So here we go. And it runs like this. Boom. We don't have to put the order on too soon. We get a bit of a retrace. We're going to buy. It'll push down, I think, again. We may have been in it already earlier, but we usually wait for a pushback. I want to see a push off of that moving average. So just because it pops up a little bit right now, could be a false start. We want to make sure we're pushing off of something that is reasonable. We'll stay at one time, the regular market speed until we get into the trade, then we'll speed it up. So now there we go. There's the push off the moving average. And we'll see how this runs from here. Big move down today. Boom. All right. So we're in. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, and it's right there already, so we don't have to move it. And now we just wait for our first target to get hit. As soon as that first target gets hit, you'll see our stop will come from way down here all the way to a break-even position. And we'll see if we can't get the runners later on. So here we go. Let's go ahead and we can speed it up a little bit. Okay, it's four times market speed at this point. First target's out, risk goes to break even. Second target's out, and now we got a runner to 60 ticks at the top here. There we are into a bit of a brick wall. So if we wanted to take our third target and we wanted to move it to the brick wall, we could. Usually we just leave things the way they are because if you get a big move, it may reach over the brick wall and take out your longer target. If we wanted to, there we go. Well, it's already done. So there you go. That trade took a little more than 3 minutes and was worth 625 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 625 US dollars in little more than 3 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you in the live trading room, in one of our live trading rooms, real soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.